Lose weight quickly by swapping out your snack with these healthy banana oatmeal cookies that have no added sugar, no oil or butter, and are only 52 calories each. So let's make our healthy and delicious snack for the week. Let's start by preheating our oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. We are going to use a nice ripe banana for this recipe. Add the banana into a blender jar along with 5 pitted dates. If you wanted less sweet, you can add less number of dates. Half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/8 teaspoon or a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We are going to blend all this into a smooth paste like that. Next to this, we are going to add rolled oats or instant oats, a quarter cup at a time, so that it forms a doughy consistency that can hold up its shape. In total, I added around 1.25 cups of rolled oats. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe if you want exciting recipes like this every week. Alright, so in total I added 1¼ cup of rolled oats and it looks like a perfect cookie dough consistency. Now let's go ahead and get our baking tray lined with parchment paper, or I'm using a silicone cookie mat like this. I'm using a 1 tablespoon measure that's going to give me 12 cookies. Once the cookie dough is scooped out, you can use a spoon to shape them like cookies. You can shape them to however thick you want them. Keep in mind that since there's no butter added in this recipe, the cookies are going to look exactly like the way you shaped them before baking. The cookies are going to bake for approximately 20 to 22 minutes, and you can tell because your kitchen is going to smell beautiful and the cookies are going to feel slightly firm to touch and it's going to easily come off the baking mat. And for the best texture before biting in, let the cookies cool down right on the baking mat. These cookies have a slightly crisp, chewy and cakey texture, and cinnamon, banana and vanilla, they all taste so good together. And just pop them in an airtight jar and you can save it in the refrigerator for a week. So your healthy snack for the week is done. And what I'm really proud of is that my kids love this cookie with a glass of milk. So yay, mommy won. So alright my friends, that's all for today. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I would love it if you'd follow me. For written recipes, you can visit my blog. It's called nupursindiankitchen.com. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do it. I post exciting recipes like this every week. Don't forget to press the notification bell so the next recipe comes straight to you. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.